Hello everyone to the first race of the season. Today we're going racing at Atlanta. We've got a good bunch of drivers and I'm hoping to look for a good race today. Austin Dillon heads up for the front row. He's got the pole today, so that's going to be an interesting race to see what we can get out of Austin Dillon. He's a good driver, but he's got some good contention throughout the field, such as Denny Hamlin, also on the front row, and some other drivers back there who definitely have some serious potential, like Jimmie Johnson and Ryan Blaney. Heads up for the row 1, Austin Dillon and Denny Hamlin. Row 2, that's Trevor Bean and Ty Dillon. Row 3 is Ricky Stenhouse Jr. and Eric Jones. Row 4, that's Ryan Blaney and Jimmie Johnson. Row 5, there's Kurt Busch and Casey Kane. Row 6 is Joey Logano and Jamie McMurray. Row 7 is Clint Bowyer and Matt Kenseth. Row 8, two Hendrick teammates, Alex Bowman and William Byron. Row 9 is Martin Truex Jr. and Cody Ware. Row 10 is Kyle Busch alongside Brad Keselowski. Row 11, that's Bubba Wallace and Chase Elliott. Row 12 is Daniel Suarez and Paul Menard. Row 13 is Kyle Larson and Ryan Newman. And rounding off the field, we've got Kevin Harvick starting at the back due to technical issues during qualifying. And here come the drivers onto the track, getting prepared to start the race. You can see Austin Dillon and Denny Hamlin up there. And here they are warming up to take the green flag. The pace car going to pull into the pits now. Here they come, it's intense. And across the start-finish line, there's a battle between Austin Dillon and Denny Hamlin. Looks like Denny Hamlin got the lead for a split second there, but Austin Dillon's got the preferred line through turn 1. Not going to quite clear Denny Hamlin. Denny Hamlin gets the run out of the corner. And Austin Dillon with the preferred line once again. We're going to see Denny Hamlin possibly with some corner exit out coming out of the corner. And Denny Hamlin going to lead lap 1 by an inch. Possibly a couple more, but here they come. Austin Dillon still holding that inside line. We're going to see possibly Denny Hamlin can clear the 3 this time. Looks like he might be able to do it. Denny Hamlin is going to go in front of Austin Dillon through turn 3. And out of turn 4, he's going to hold that position. Great work by Denny Hamlin there to hold that position. Denny Hamlin going to continue to lead. Oh, there's a crash back in the field. Looks like Cody Ware, possibly Darrell Walsh Jr. involved. Yeah, Alex Bowman in that too. That looked like a rough crash and a big hit from the number 43. They're going to get towed away and we're ready to go green again. Denny Hamlin going to lead us off the line for lap 4. Hamlin going to go into the corner strong. Here comes Eric Jones possibly, but teammate Denny Hamlin is going to block that run that he had. Now it's going to be between these two. Big push from Eric Jones with a bit of help from Ryan Blaney there. He's going to possibly get in front, but not quite. Ryan Blaney not going to be in front of Eric Jones through here, but Eric Jones holding the lead. Here they come. Oh, and there's another crash. Ty Dillon, Ricky Stenhouse Jr. and Chase Elliott all involved. Look at the replay of that crash. Ty Dillon and Chase Elliott, big hit. Wow. That was a lot of smoke. I think Ricky Stenhouse Jr. may have been able to save that, actually. And here they come off the start line again. Eric Jones with a good lead. He's holding position rather well. And into turns 3, just about to turns 3 and 4 for the last time today. Eric Jones holding a steady lead. Denny's going to almost make the pass, but Eric Jones is still going to get the win. 3 Gibbs cars getting the top 3, along with another 3 Stewart Haas cars in the top 10. That's pretty impressive from those two teams. And along comes Ricky Stenhouse Jr. just pulling behind with a wee bit of damage. What an interesting race we had today. That was quite the race. Yeah, look at there. There goes Eric Jones with the burnout. He's going to be the first winner of the season. And there's a wee look at your standings as well. A couple DNFs with 0 points it looks like, but hopefully they'll be able to pull it around next race, coming soon. And there's a wee look at your points. Last of all, thank you racing fans for tuning into the first race of the season. Hopefully next race will be a little longer. This race was cut short just due to problems and a couple of cautions. Also, if you want to have a chance, as you may have seen, in the driver lineup, there are aliases for each driver, which are real people signing up to own a car pretty much in the series. If you want to do this, just join the Discord, there'll be a link below, and hopefully you can have a shot at doing this as well if you're just a viewer and not an actual racer. So like, subscribe, it's free, and hopefully I'll see a couple more people in the server. I'll see you guys later.